Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. First, open Google AI Studio on your PC using any browser and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you are logged in properly so all build options are visible. Once you are on the homepage, look at the left side menu and click on Build. This section shows all the tools related to creating and managing AI apps. Next, click on Your Apps from the left panel. Here, you will see a list of all apps you have already created in Google AI Studio. Now, find the app you want to connect to GitHub, for example, Flash UI, and click on it to open the project. After the app opens, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Save to GitHub. These options allows you to export your app code to a GitHub repository. A pop-up window will appear. Here, enter the app name clearly and add a short description explaining what the app does. After entering both details, click on Save to continue. Next, you will be asked to set up your GitHub repository. Enter a repository name that is easy to recognize and add a repository description for better identification later. After that, choose the repository visibility. Select public if you want anyone to see the code, or private if you want to keep it restricted. Now, click on Create Git Repo. Google AI Studio will start creating the repository and linking it to your GitHub account. These may take a few seconds. Once the repository is created, you will see a screen showing all the files and changes that are about to be uploaded to GitHub. Take a moment to review these changes to make sure everything looks correct. After that, simply click on Stage and commit all changes. These will automatically stage all files and commit them at the same time, uploading your project to the GitHub repository. Once the process is completed, your Google AI Studio app will be successfully connected to GitHub and your code will be safely stored in the repository. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.